So, hello everyone. I'm going to go back live to uh, what's the name? Super Grub2 Disk development, and so I'm going to set up my IRC setup so that it doesn't connect to Freenode. We don't want Freenode, we want Libera. So let's see about Libera. Libera. Let's see if I can, if there's something about this. If it appears here, it doesn't appear. Okay, so now we should be able to create a new network, which is Libera custom, so that when the program has Libera in their servers, I can use it directly. And I want to go here, and I want to go into Super Group and Rescatax, if I'm not mistaken. This is what I want to do. Let's see Freenode. How was it set up before? S group and Rescatax. Okay, so it's S group. I didn't remember about this name. So Libera custom. Where is Libera custom? Oh my god. Okay. So yeah, Libera custom here. So we need to enter S group. And wait a moment. I want S group and then Rescatax, not the other way around. Okay. So the next thing that I want to do is to open new context. Then I go to servers and I connect here on Libera custom. And my username is this one. Hopefully I can use it. Now I'm going to connect here. Okay. Yeah, I need some servers because whatever. New server. So this is what's here. This is the one that you should use with 6's. And then we say this is SSL and our port is 6697. We could add more servers, but we are going to use this one, and that's it. So now should be able to connect here to the Libera custom to here, and this is automatic. Okay, so I'm going to connect to the server. Okay, seems that it likes the why it doesn't have any user. That's not good. But why Why doesn't like my username? Let's try to register my username and see what happens. There was some guides. Nickname registration. Okay, I'm going to do this on my other um, what's the name of my other screen, so that you don't see uh, stuff, which is um, what's the name, which you should not be seen. Okay. An email containing, okay. Let's see if I can confirm my username on Libera chat. Okay, so now if I disconnect from my chat and I connect again, I've got, why the hell? There's something wrong about my username, but why? Why does it uses? There's something somewhere. Okay, yeah. I haven't set up the password where it should be set up. Wait a moment. Now I'm going to set up it properly, and I guess it will work. It will work. It will work properly. Okay, okay, okay. Go out. Yes, exit, and I reconnect. And now I guess I have a global setting about my username because it insists in using Adrian15B, and that's not right. So okay, I'm going to use the nick. I'm going to force the nick because I guess that the global one is okay. Let's see if I don't get out because of so many. I guess I have a global Adrian15B somewhere, and that's why it always gets Adrian15B on Libera. Okay, now I need to register these channels so that they are my own. Okay, and let's see how do you creating channels. Person who joins the ownership. Okay, pick a name. Again, join, register, and that's it. Okay, that's what I have to do. And now I have to do the same thing for so now this is supposed to be my own channel. It can go up or not, and that's it. Channel modes, only identified permissions. Okay, we are done. So now the other thing that we need to do is to go to my web page and so on and edit links from the chat so that they make sense and so on. So I'm going to do this offline because whatever, I want to do it offline. So right now I'm doing this offline. So this is interesting because you've got so many things. Okay, now this is here. Okay. Let me see if I can do something like this. The email is correct. Okay. Okay, so let's see. We have some notifications, some updates to apply, some comments to read, which I think I'm not going to read because it's a bit depressing. 5758 update now. Let's update WordPress, the first thing to do. Then we are going to update the chat. Then I guess I'm going to enter into Freenode. And I need to send an email to the mailing list so that people go to Libera, and that's it. Okay. What's new? Is it updating this or what? I am not doing this right, isn't it? Or is it already? Okay, it's already updated. So I just need to update all the themes. I'm ready to go. Not really. Okay. Hopefully it's not everything broken right now. I hope not. I hope not. Let me check if this is working properly, if I can hear myself. Okay, I can hear myself. So let's do some stuff. So I should have here the chat, which I'm going to update. but um, yeah, there is. I'm not sure if this is going to work. So this is why unknown error we cannot connect to the. Yeah, that's because this is. Wait, maybe I can do like this. Adrian, see, and I want to use a script. Okay, this is sad. Maybe I should use the. Maybe, man, I don't want to connect to the old, to the new free node because. Okay, should I send an email to the old chat or not? If that's the case, I should be able to. Okay. 6697 chat freenode.net. Okay, I'm going to connect around here manually, but I didn't want to do this. But anyway, I will do it. So Freenode, I'm going to use chat. Going to create. Yeah, I'm going or not because I have the. Maybe the only thing that I need to do is change the port. Let's try this one. And 97 SSL. Let's see if it likes it. It closes the connection. Okay. Let's do a new server, which is going to be chat free node net, and then it's going to be 6697 and SSL. And I want to connect here instead of the one. Wait a moment. I do not know which is the one. This is not working at all. I thought it will work. Okay, chat you. No. Okay, let me create a new context. And then I connect here. Okay. Here's the problem. It says you must use that. So you need to create an account. I'm not going to create a new account for Freenode, so we just be announcing this and that's it. If there's someone on the old channel, they should point everyone here. So the first thing we need to do is we need a web chat, Libera chat. Okay, so what we need is an web-based web using our web chat, or our main web chat is this one. Okay, web Libera chat, and here we've got Now, if it doesn't work anything, we have like this. Uh, so I guess, wait a second, this should work the same way as the other one, isn't it? Let me. So the old chat had channels as groups, so I guess it's just matter of uh, doing like this, see what happens, because I think it was the same. Yes, go out. So the channel, this is I want the channel to be auto-filled, so okay, let me give it auto select channel URL parameter. Where do I have? Where do I have? Okay. Nick Dandelion. So so maybe we can use the channel as is. See what happens. So it will be something like this. Yeah, that's what I want. Okay, so now I can edit this web page without too much hassle. Okay, yeah, some stuff I don't want to do this stuff. I would just want to edit HTML because, yeah, edit. Okay, how do I edit in HTML? Okay, S group. And Rescadex. Okay, so now if I save this somehow, what the hell is this? Sale. Okay, so now if I update somewhere, yeah, if I check the page, I should be going directly to the Libera chat channel, either as group or Rescadex, and the cookie saves the. Okay, so let's try if this is working properly. Okay. And okay, so now main channel, I have this one and I have this one. Okay. Whatever. Yeah. Well, I mean, it works. That's what I wanted to see. It works. So now I need link for this stuff, which I think is just using IRS. What's the Libera? What's the IRC Libera chat. Okay, so now I should be able, and this should be, yeah, a script. And if we edit this one, we should do the same thing. And we make sure to use the IRSS. And that's it. But I'm not sure this is going to work properly. So I need to check this because I'm not sure. So what happens if I click here? Okay. Uh, Nobody uses IRC. Okay, let me see. IRC is a link. A scheme can be IRC or IRCS. Okay. So I should be doing this right, isn't it? So I guess that I should try to use this. So now I use Kabirk and it complains or not about being able to is this I think I need someone to check this for me because okay, let's try again. Is this working? This is not working. Maybe it is, but yeah. Maybe I should do it from the CLI. And that's it. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let's copy the URL. See what happens if I haven't got this open from the CLI. My question is if it's going to, it's opening Libera chat, it's opening a new one. Yeah, unique name. Okay, so I have the one, and I have the one that I have. Yeah, somehow it has taken my setup. So I guess I am. Yeah, I should up myself. Maybe not, but I think this is working. So yeah, I think the URL is working. So I'm going to open the, yeah, so these two links, and I identify myself, and that's it. And then I have this Libera chat users, which I don't want because, yeah. So this is updated. We are happy. So now we need to send an email somewhere under the sea. Okay. We should send an email to the what's my here it is, Super Grub2 General. I think that's my, let's see if that's the place. So last email was from May. Resubscribe me. Okay. Wait a moment. Okay, yeah. I was checking the Rescatex. I was expecting a Rescatex um, release on April 2021, but that's for Rescatex. So I guess this is the right. So I guess there's a Rescatex mailing list. Maybe I didn't send anything. No, there's no. Yeah, so maybe the release. Why the hell didn't I send anything when? Let me check 1 second my email because I'm a bit concerned about Rescatax General. Okay, so yeah, there's a general mailing list for Rescatax. So this might be the right one. So let me send an email. So we move chat to okay. So please check for the new RE chat. We are moving both Super Grub2 Disk and Rescatox RE chat to Libera. So here I have these two URLs, which I'm going to happen. Copy and paste on my email. Then I will reuse the same email to send to the Rescatax team. Okay, so let me copy this one. Okay. If you are already connected to the old Freenode servers, please want the other users to connect to new servers. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to send this. Hopefully it works. Okay, and now I'm going to do the same thing with the Rescatax one. Rescatax General, I guess that's the name. Yeah, Rescatax General. And I send the same exact message and I send it. And that's it. Okay, so now we have managed to, yeah. Now we have managed to make this work. I mean, we already have the chat in Libera. So yeah, the next thing is modifying Rescatax itself because it has a chat, and this is, I did not want to work in Rescatax. Oh my god, I this is going to piss me off. Okay, so let's focus. Let's focus. So the original idea for today was to work on Super Grub2 Disk, either based on Group 206 or the secure boot, adding secure boot. So now this was the original script. Here I'm going to do like this, and this is new script so far. So change IRC links to Libera, which we have done. This is the web mailing list. Now we have Rescatox ISO. So I'm going to do a Rescatox ISO update so that we have the right URLs, and that's it. I don't want to touch anything. Yeah. So right now I'm going to pause, and I will do small videos so that this is not so boring from the YouTube perspective. So this is going to be this is not going to be resume dev part. So this is going to be Libera change IRC chat to Libera. Okay. So now I should end the stream, and I will start a new one. Yeah. And this new YouTube video will be talking about Rescatax and having a we changed the chat so that it's the right one. So let's end the stream. We will be back in a minute.